Good morning, dear students. How are you today, Primary 6? Today we will finish Unit 1. We will talk about Lesson 5, Rate. Before we talk about rate, we will make a quick revision, a one question revision on the last lesson. Is 0.5 kilometer, 700 meter, 900 meter. The ratio between 0.5 kilometer to 700 meter to 900 meter. Okay, I have here a ratio between three numbers. Okay, among three numbers, and they have different unit. There is kilometer, meter, meter. As we said before, that the ratio must be between the same unit, and we have here different unit, so I will convert kilometer to be meter. How? By 1000. Bravo! We will convert kilometer to be meter. Only the part that has kilometer, the unit kilometer, we will make by 1000. Okay, we will make by 1000. 0.5 by 1000 equal 500 meter to 700 meter to 900 meter. Now we cancel the units and still and put the whole numbers 500, 700, 900 and simplify. Divide 100. Yes, to cancel the zeros. The answer will be 5 to 7. Car covered 120 kilometers within 2 hours. Within 2 hours. A car covered 120 kilometers in 2 hours. Then what is the speed of this car in 1 hour? We will say 120 kilometers in 2 hours. How many kilometers in 1 hour? We make divide. We will make divide. 120 divided 2 equals what? Think. Equals 60. Yes, equals 60. There is 60 kilometer per hour. The car covered 60 kilometer per 1 hour. Okay, again 120 kilometer in 2 hours. How many kilometers in 1 hour? We make divide. We make what? We make divide. 120 divided 2 equals 60. This car moves or covered 60 kilometer per 1 hour. Okay, so the car moves with speed 60 kilometer per hour. This slash means per. Slash means per. We compare between two different units. Now we compare between two different units. We have two different units, kilometer and hours. Okay, and this is called rate. This is called rate. This is called what? This is called rate. We compare between two different units. Okay, we compare between two different units. We compare between two different in a trip or in a way with your mom and your dad in their car, and you see a sign. If you have ever noticed a speed limit sign, this sign, okay, called rate. This sign called, then you have seen an example of a rate. The sign on the road that written on it is speed limit 50 or 60 kilometer per hour. This is called rate. This is called rate. For example, what is the rate? What is the rate? A rate is a ratio that compares between two quantities in different units. A rate is a ratio. We make division in a rate, and in a ratio we make division. A rate is a ratio that compares between two quantities in different units. A rate is a ratio compares between two quantities, but what? In different units. Ratio was a comparing between two quantities have the same unit, but the rate have different. The rate has different units. The rate has different units. Okay, we must keep this definition. A rate is a ratio that compares between two quantities in different units. in different units. A rate is a ratio that compares between two quantities in different units. In different units. Okay? A car covers 240 kilometers in 3 hours. That means 240 kilometers in 3 hours. I want how many kilometers in 1 hour? Okay, we make divide. 240 divided 3 equal 80 kilometers per hour. 80 kilometers per hour. Another example. A family spends 350 LE in 7 days. That means 350 LE to 7 days. How many LE in 1 day? We make divide. 350 divided 7 equal 50 LE per day. 50 LE per day. Another example, secretary lady writes 320 lines within 4 hours. That means 320 lines to 4 hours. How many lines in 1 hour? We make divide. 320 divided 4 equal 80 lines per hour. 80 lines per hour. Another example, a tap pours 360 liters of water in an hour. In an hour. How many liters in 1 minute? How many liters in 1 minute? 360 liters in 60 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. We convert hour to minute. We convert hour to minute first. 360 in 60 minutes. How many liters in 1 minute? We make divide. 360 divided 60 equals 6. 6 liters per minute. 6 liters per minute. Another example, a butcher sells 108 kilograms of meat within 9 hours. A butcher sells 108 kilograms of meat within 9 hours. How many kilograms in 1 hour? Primary. We make what? We make divide. We make divide. 108 divided 9 equals 12 kilograms per hour. 12 kilograms per hour. So we solve the rate like that. We make divide. But in the rate, we make divide to two different units. To two different units. Okay? And between these two units we make a slash called pair. We named it pair. Okay, kilometer per hour, LE per day, lines per hour, liter per minute, kilograms per hour. Okay, there is two different units. Two different units. The last, a tractor plows 6 fiddles within 3 hours, and another tractor blows 10 fiddles within 4 hours. Which is better? We have two tractors. First tractor blows 6 fiddles within 3 hours. The rate 6 fiddles divided 3 hours equal 2 fiddles per hour. 2 fiddles per hour. We make divide. And the second tractor make 10 fiddles divided 4 hours equal 2.5 or 2.5 fiddles per hour. 2.5 fiddles per hour. Okay, now which is better? The first tractor or the second tractor? The first make 2 fiddles per hour and the second blows 2.5 fiddles per hour. Okay, the second is better. The second is better. Okay, primary. This is the rate. A rate is a ratio between two quantities. We compare between two quantities, but these two quantities has different units. Okay, this is the difference between rate and ratio. A ratio is between two same units, but rate between two different units. Just that. Okay, you understand the lesson? It's a very easy primary. Okay, and this is the end. Make your homework. Any question, tell me in the class. Okay, ask me in the class, and we will solve more exercises tomorrow in class. Thank you and goodbye.